Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Becoming Proactive with Soumya Agarwal. So I have already uploaded the third revision strategy, that is your revision of each subject in three days. Right, so 3 days each. I have uploaded 4 videos. So in that way in 12 days you can complete with your group 2, and in the another 12 days you can complete with your group 1. So in that way, a third revision will be completed in just a period of 24 days, right? So as I have already uploaded a plan of 75 days, so there I have already told you that how you have to divide each revision, and it means how many days you have to complete one revision, one set of revision. So please do watch that video. I'll drop the link in the description box so that it will be easy. I'll not drop the link of that video in the description. Rather, I'll drop the link in the comment section and I'll pin it. Okay, so that it would be easy to find it, because in my description there are a lot of links. There are links of other videos, means 10 days plan, 5 days plan, and also some lectures link. Okay, so you can just check out for that purpose. But if you want to watch for 75 days plan, then I'll drop the link in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's get started. So on day number 1, you have to first start with your corporate law. Now this 3 days plan can be followed by the students who are allotting wholly these 3 days only do law. But if you are in these 3 days also, if you are picking any other subject, then it will be difficult to complete the whole syllabus in 3 days only. Okay, so if you are allotting your means full day, that means 10 to 12 hours to law only, then only you can complete with this target. So uh, in your first session, try to complete with the chapter number 7, that will be your meetings, and chapter number 5, because chapter number 7 is a lengthy chapter but easy. Okay, there it is general meetings. Okay, and chapter number 5 is your deposits chapter. So these two chapters are super easy, and 5 is very small also. So just try to complete these two chapters in your first session of your study. Then in your another session, you can pick up with your General Clauses Act, and then you can complete with the remaining chapter, that are starting chapters, chapter number 1 and 2 in the third time span. And you can also allot the remaining time span to other subject, or what you can do is you can pick the target of next day. So on day number 2, what you have to do, you have to complete 4 chapters of corporate law, 3, 4, 6 and 8, and you have to complete the another act of your other laws, that will be your interpretation of statute. Now these 4 chapters of corporate law, you can say 3 and 4 are a little bit technical and lengthy also. So you have to allot you can allot 3 to 4 hours to both the chapters, chapter number 3 and 4, but try to complete chapter number 6 and 8 super fast. So in that way you can complete with these targets in 2 days. I don't think that any student will find it difficult. Then on day number 3, you have to complete with the remaining portion, chapter number 9 and 10 of Corporate Law and Contract Act and Negotiable Act of your other laws. Now suppose a student has already completed day number 2 target and day number 1 target. Like suppose you have completed in 6 hours only. Okay, and you have to study 10 to 12 hours. In last month you have to study the maximum you can, so that is why try to study 10 to 15 hours also. Okay, so as per your limit, try to study maximum. Now suppose you have completed the targets in 6 hours or say 7 hours. Now you are left with 3 hours. So what you can do, you can just divide the contract act and negotiable act into various parts and can complete it on day number 1 and day number 2 also. Okay, so it is up to you that how you are going to set your targets. I'm just here to help you. So in this way, please set your targets and please try to achieve all the targets you have set for each day. Okay, but still, if any student finds it really very hard or impossible to complete the syllabus in 3 days, then you can give one extra day to yourself. That means you can carry forward the remaining portion on fourth day, but it is not at all recommended. You have to speed up because you have to practice revision for 1.5 day also. That is why you have to speed up with your revision. Now, how you are going to revise, you're not going to read everything word by word, you're just going to recall. Okay, you're just going to recall everything. The topics you find that you're not able to recall, just read only those topics. So, here are some additional tips. You have to make summary charts and notes. Now this is actually not for last month, but yeah, this is for your first and second revisions, that you should make charts and summary notes, okay, while reading, while preparing. And you should practice writing in keywords. Now these keywords also, you should write only the keywords of the difficult topics, because you have reached your third revision, so you have already practiced. Okay, I'm assuming that you have already practiced everything in writing before. Okay, so that is why you can just practice writing the keywords of the difficult topics. And you have to divide the questions in three topics. Sorry, actually it is not this, it is your you have to divide your topics in three categories: easy, average and difficult. Now this also I have told you from revision number 1 only. So the topics you have already marked as difficult. Okay, focus more on those topics and less on the topics you find easy. And you can revise the difficult questions of RTPs, MTPs, because as I've already told you that you have to include the RTPs, MTPs from the revision number 1 only. Okay, so that is why just do the sorting and just focus on the things you find difficult. But please do not ignore the things you find easy. You should first of all test yourself. First of all, try to recall everything. If you are able to recall, then only that thing is easy for you. Okay, just don't go on assumption. You have to test yourself with each passing revision. Okay, so please make yourself more and more confident with each revision. Suppose you are thinking that your chapter number 1 is fully prepared, and what you do, you just ignore that chapter, or do not study that chapter well. And what happens is, on the last revision, that means your 1.5 day leave, you're not able to recall the things from that chapter also. Okay, this situation should not be faced by any of the students. So that is why I'm just saying you that please do not leave any chapter. You have to recall everything. But on the things you are not able to recall, please just read that. Do not waste your time in reading everything word by word. Just please read word by word loudly only those lines or topics which you find difficult, and recall each and everything. Recall each and everything. I'm repeating it. You have to revise each and everything. It's just that you have to just recall the things you are able to, and the things you're not able to recall, you just have to read it and then try to learn it. Okay, so I hope my tips are helpful for you. And if you need any further help, you can definitely comment down. I will be there for you. And please just work very hard, and please do not forget to watch the video of 75 days revision plan, because that will be really very helpful. Okay, so I'm just dropping the link in the comment section, so please do check it out. Bye guys.